Hey all, this is Idris from Edu Think Tank. I'm back with a new topic, Microsoft D365. Let's see what we have to learn today. But before that, please do not forget to hit that button subscribe. What is Microsoft Dynamics 365? Let me tell you, it is often abbreviated as D365. It is a suite of cloud-based business applications developed by Microsoft. Did you know D365 is designed to help organizations with various aspects of their business operations, including CRM and ERP? Let me walk you through some key components and capabilities of Microsoft D365. D365 for sales. This module helps the sales teams to manage leads, opportunities, and customer relationships. D365 sales module also includes features like sales forecasting, pipeline management, and analytics to improve your sales performance. Dynamics 365 for customer service. This module focuses on customer support and service management. D365 customer service includes tools for case management, knowledge base, and service analytics to enhance customer satisfaction. Dynamics 365 for marketing. This module allows organizations to plan, execute, and analyze marketing campaigns. D365 marketing includes features for email marketing, lead scoring, and customer journey automation. Dynamics 365 for field service. This module is designed for businesses that provide field service operations. D365 Field Service helps in scheduling, dispatching, and managing field service technicians, optimizing resource allocation, and improving service efficiency. Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. Remember, this is the ERP component of Dynamics 365, which is focusing on financial management, supply chain management, manufacturing, and other core business operations. D365 F&O helps organizations streamline their financial and operational processes. Dynamics 365 for human resources. This module assists with HR processes such as employee onboarding, benefits administration, and performance management. Dynamics 365 for commerce. This module enables businesses to manage their e-commerce operations, including online sales, inventory management, and customer engagement. D365 for project service automation. This is designed for project-based businesses, helping them plan, manage, and execute projects efficiently. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is built on top of the Microsoft Power Platform, which allows organizations to further customize and extend its capabilities by creating custom applications and automating workflows using tools like Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. One of the key advantages of D365 is that it is a cloud-based solution, which means it can be accessed from anywhere, provides scalability, and receives regular updates and improvements from Microsoft. D365 is commonly used by businesses of all sizes to streamline their operations, improve customer relationships, and make data-driven decisions. Dynamics 365 Finance. It is an ERP solution offered by Microsoft that is designed to streamline and manage financial and operational processes within an organization. Let me share the list of major modules in Dynamics 365 Finance. General Ledger, which is also known as GL. This module is the core of financial management system, responsible for recording and tracking all financial transactions within the organization. GL module provides a central repository for managing accounts, journal entries, and financial reports. Accounts payable, also known as AP. This module helps manage the organization's payable processes. Accounts payable module handles vendor invoices, payment processing, expense management, and tracks outstanding liabilities. Accounts receivable, also known as AR. This module focuses on managing customer invoices, receipts, and collections. Accounts receivable module helps track and manage outstanding customer payments and supports credit and collection management. Cash and bank management. This module enables any organization to effectively manage their cash and banking activities. Cash and bank management module includes features for cash forecasting, bank reconciliation, and managing bank accounts and transactions. Budgeting. This module assists organizations in creating, managing, and tracking budgets. Budgeting module. It allows for the creation of budget plans, allocation of funds, and monitoring budget performance against actual results. Fixed assets. This module helps organizations manage their capital assets throughout their life cycle. Fixed asset module includes features for asset acquisition, depreciation calculation, maintenance scheduling, and disposal. Expense management. This module focuses on managing employee expenses, travel, and reimbursement processes. Expense management helps streamline expense reporting, approval workflows, and policy enforcement. Project accounting. This module enables organizations to manage and track financial aspects of projects. Project accounting allows for project budgeting, cost tracking, revenue recognition, and profitability analysis. Procurement and purchasing. This module facilitates the procurement process, including purchase requisitions, purchase orders, vendor management, and sourcing. Inventory management. This module helps organizations manage their inventory levels, including stock tracking, warehouse management, and demand forecasting. Financial reporting and analysis. This module provides tools for generating financial reports and statements. This module often includes features for creating customizable dashboards, visualizations, and business intelligence insights. Let's take a look at the key features of Dynamics 365 F&O. To start with, multiple currency and globalization. D365 Finance supports multiple currency transactions and global operations, allowing organizations to manage financial processes across multiple countries, currencies, and legal entities. Workflow and approval management. This enables organizations to define and automate approval workflows for various financial processes, ensuring proper authorization and compliance. Tax management. This helps organizations in managing complex tax requirements, calculations, and reporting. I would be making more videos in future on each module, little in detail, but remember that the availability of specific features of these modules might vary based on the version and the customization of D365 Finance being used by a particular organization. I would like to conclude by saying D365 ERP software is a game changer for businesses. Its seamless integrations of essential business functions simplifies operations, enhances productivity, and fosters growth. With its user-friendly interface and features, D365 empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions and streamline processes. It is a powerful tool that brings efficiency, accuracy, and agility to businesses, ensuring they stay competitive and thrive in today's fast-paced world. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and please do not forget to hit that button subscribe. Have a great day.